Hello treasures, in our previous video I shared how to make chin chin with yogurt. Today we are making another yogurt chin chin, but this time with our air fryer. So let's make air fryer chin chin. And here are the ingredients I'll be using. I have my baking powder here, sugar. I don't have granulated, so I'm using powdered sugar. I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm using cinnamon powder for some flavor. You can use nutmeg or any other flavor of choice. I have my butter here, and this is our star ingredients. I'm using half cup of yogurt. The one I fried, the flour was bigger than this. That's 4 cups. I used 1 full cup of yogurt. You can check the video out if you have not seen it. The first yogurt changing I did, but that one I fried it. This one we are going to air fry. Okay, that one I fried with oil. This one we're going to air fry. So we're using our air fryer for this. So I'll start by mixing the ingredients together. Add the flour in no particular order. We are starting with the dry ingredients first. So the cinnamon powder, my baking powder, the sugar. I'll mix it together. After mixing that together, I'll now add the butter. I always like to use my floor to clean the butter there. That way we can get everything. And then gradually add the yogurts. I'll cover it and leave it for 10 minutes to settle before I continue. After cutting, I'll then transfer them into the air fryer. You can also sprinkle it a little bit of oil if you want to. But if you don't want oil at all, leave it that way. Set the air fryer at 180 degrees and fry for 10 minutes. While that is frying, we'll now cut the other half of the dough. Ten minutes later, this is what we have. I'll stir it and take it back to the air fryer and fry for another 10 minutes. And here we have our air fryer changing, nice and crunchy. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.